Hi class, as you recall, we have been learning about fractions in 4th grade math, and I wanted to switch things up today and show you all how to create a graph within Excel. I think that it's important that we know how to do this and know how to utilize our resources such as Excel. And so I think this will be a fun little activity for you guys. As you recall, last class I gave us a little poll and each of you filled out a sport that you played, and so there's a total of 30 of you. So 5 of you marked you played soccer, 8 of you marked you played basketball, 5 of you marked that you played softball or baseball, and 7 of you marked you played football, and then 5 of you guys didn't mark any of them because you do not participate in those sports. And so as you see here, I have sports as my title, and then I have them listed, and then I have the number of players listed under it, and then here you'll see I have fractions into percents. So we've been talking about fractions and how they turn into their percents. However, a great feature on Excel, it allows you to click the equal sign, and then you click the box that you want entered over in this section. You then hit your backspace for division, and then you click your total, and then you hit enter, and it gives you that percent. So 5/30 equals this percent. Another way you can do it, you can hit your equal sign and then hit 8, your backslash for division, and then divide by 30, and it gives you the same percent. I just wanted to show you guys that there are 2 different ways to do it. This one is the more efficient way to hit enter, and then the other way of 8 divided by 30. It gives you the same answer it would if you did it this way. So there are our percents and our numbers of students who play what sport. And so now I want to teach you guys how to insert a pie chart. That's what we're going to use today. So in order to do this, you're going to highlight the information that you need on your pie chart. So you will need the percents all the way up to the titles of the sports. So I highlighted the sports, number of players, and fractions into percents. Then I go up to insert, and here you'll see charts. There's bar graphs and scatter plots, but today we want to do pie chart. They give you 3 options, and I want you to click the 2D pie chart. So here we have our pie chart, and it gives you colors associated with each slice of the pie and what those slices and colors are. So as you see, soccer's blue, basketball's orange, softball's gray, etc. Well, you look at the pie chart and you wonder how big each of these slices are. So to edit this, you're going to click on this paintbrush, and here you can see the 3rd one down. If you click on it, it will edit your pie chart, and you can move this down here so you can still see all your information up here. And so now it has given you how big each slice is out of 100%. So 17, 16, 27, 17, and 23. And then here our chart has just moved over to here with the color and the sport that is associated with. And then you can also edit your chart title to make it whatever we are working with. So today we can say sports in our classroom. And there is our awesome little pie chart, and this is a great resource that I wanted to have you guys work on and just kind of explore on it. And we'll be taking different polls in class today so that we can make different pie charts as well. But I just wanted to get you guys started with a little tutorial, and I hope that this can help us get started right away and help us utilize our time in the classroom today using our fractions that we've been working on.